Hey, what's up, Vechain holders? So what's going on, my brother? This time Vechain is moving up. Yes, absolutely. 9.40% Vechain starting moving up. This is live trading Vechain. You can see here as very good performance this time. Give us the Vechain give you a very good profit. I hope in upcoming days. Let's see the live price prediction to what's going on in upcoming days. What's my prediction about Vechain? This time you can see here Vechain is moving up. First of all, I'm gonna show you some details about Vechain to what's the latest updates of Vechain, market cap rate, what's going on, the price, everything. Then we come back again to the live trading view. This time, if you can see here, Vechain, my friends, latest price has 0.2369 US dollar, and the change occur at 9.31% gone up. Congratulations, Vechain holder. They make you millionaire. We are going in the moon. Congratulations again. My friends, please click out the subscribe button for latest news and updates. Please like this video. This is very important to you. Like this video. If you enjoy this video, please like. This is good news for every Vechain holder. This time, if you can see here, the market cap rate as 9.31% increase now. So this is absolutely good news. And full diluted market cap is 9.9% going up. Congratulations. The volume of last 24 hours at 71.75% going up. Congratulations, Vechain holder. This is everything good news. And the BTC, you can see here, 10.31% going up. Congratulations. Ethereum, 10.86% price going up. Congratulations. Vechain has gone on the rising. Vechain in the moon, my friends. Okay, come to again the trading live to what's going on. This is very important to in upcoming days. What's going on exactly, I tell you, my friend, to what's going on in upcoming time. My brother, our target is very high. Absolutely, our target is very high. First of all, I'm gonna show you our target, and then I show you to how is it possible. This time, if you can see here, the price as 0.23, I think something there as a current result. But I hope our target as 0.23. Oh my goodness, this is not a very high target. You can see here 0.23 as the target. So I hope they can easily cross it just at the mid of this day. Absolutely, they can cross it. What you say, they can cross it? Absolutely. After very bad falls, they take a very high jump, my friend. This is the major trick of crypto market. If you know about this, then absolutely you talk me to you are right. But if you are not about this, then absolutely you talk me to you are wrong. This time, if you can see here, after very bad falls, they take a very high jump. This is the major trick of crypto market. You can see here, this time very high jump they take, but after a very high jump they take a very badly fall. And if you can see here the resistance of this, you can see here the chart, they come here. You can see here, this is the resistance, this is the midpoint. Okay, the midpoint is here. You can see here. So you can see here, after very bad falls, you can see here this point after very bad falls, they gone up again. And after this very bad falls again, after this high jump, they falls down again, my brother. But after that falls down, they take again very high jump. So our target is 0.25,000. Oh my goodness, 0.25,000. So this is our target, my friend. What you say, they can hit it? I hope they can hit it. What you say, please, this is possible. Please like this video if you want to this possible. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news. So my friends, Vechain is going up in upcoming times. I hope they give you a very good profit. This is the you can see here resistance of a special chart for everyone. Please, this is the prediction, my prediction. Our target is 0.25 something. And upcoming days they easily cross it. What you say, they are going up. Please hold it and be safe from any loss. They cannot give you a loss, any loss. Okay, they make you millionaire. Exactly, they make you millionaire. So don't sell it. Okay, please, if you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is good time to you buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Please like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz. Take care.